Why do rich people stay rich? Is it just because they make more money? Not exactly. Making money is only half the game. Keeping it is a whole different story. A lot of wealthy people think differently, not necessarily smarter, just differently. They see money as a tool. Most people see money as something to spend. Wealthy people often think about allocation. Where should this money go? How can this money grow? How can it create more money? That's a completely different mindset. And it starts with one simple idea: money should have a job. Every dollar should be doing something. Some pay for lifestyle, others build your safety net or buy assets. The goal isn't to avoid spending. The goal is to spend intentionally. That's one reason wealthy people stay wealthy. They don't let every dollar disappear. They create a gap, and that gap creates opportunity. Because money you don't spend can be invested. Money you invest can grow, and that's how the snowball starts. But there's another psychological difference. Wealthy people tend to think long term. Most people think about Friday. Wealthy people often think years or decades ahead. They're willing to sacrifice today for something much bigger tomorrow. Waiting feels boring, but wealth requires patience, and patience is powerful. Wealthy people also understand risk differently. They don't avoid it, they manage it. The sweet spot is calculated risk. They ask, what's the upside? What's the downside? Rich people think in terms of assets, not just income. Instead of constantly trading time for money, you start owning things that can work without you. That's the difference between labor and ownership. They also understand opportunity cost. Every time you choose one thing, you're giving up another. Wealthy people think about that hidden cost before making big decisions. Wealthy people often fight lifestyle inflation. Real wealth doesn't always look flashy. Someone driving an old car could have millions invested, while someone flexing online could be in debt. They also understand leverage. Instead of only trading hours for dollars, they look for better systems. They ask, how can I make this scale? Leverage breaks the ceiling on your earning. Rich people understand that learning is an investment. They surround themselves with smart people because knowledge compounds. Your environment shapes your behavior. They separate emotion from money. A strategy keeps you from reacting to fear or greed. Consistency is boring, but it's exactly where compounding becomes powerful. Finally, rich people think about freedom, not just money. Money is the vehicle, freedom is the destination. Freedom to say no, to walk away, and to choose your own path. Start practicing this today. Give every dollar a job. Invest before you upgrade. Wealth isn't just about what you make, it's about what you keep. Start building your freedom now.